Zohaib had always been a curious boy, but today his curiosity led him too far into the dense jungle. As the sun began to set, Zohaib realized he was lost. The trees towered over him like silent giants, and strange noises echoed through the shadows. His heart pounded with fear, but he took a deep breath and decided to find his way back. Just then he spotted an old man lying on the ground, his leg trapped under a fallen branch. The man's robes were torn and he looked weak. Remembering his father's words, "Always help those in need," Zohaib rushed over, lifted the heavy branch and used leaves and vines to bandage the man's wound. The old man spoke, "Thank you, brave child. I am a magician and your kindness has saved me. Take this gift. It will help you return home." The old man handed Zohaib a small velvet pouch containing 5 magical items. Zohaib opened the pouch and pulled out the silver compass. Unlike a normal compass, its needle glowed faintly, pointing the way home. With renewed hope, he followed its direction, stepping carefully through the tangled undergrowth. But soon the path led him into a dark and eerie part of the jungle. The trees grew thicker, blocking the moonlight, and strange whispers filled the air. Zohaib's hands trembled as shadows seemed to move around him. Remembering the second gift, he took out the seed of light and planted it in the damp soil. Instantly, a radiant sunflower sprouted, its golden petals glowing like a tiny sun. The light pushed back the darkness, revealing a safe path ahead. As Zohaib walked, he heard rustling behind him. A pair of gleaming eyes watched from the bushes, but the light kept the creature at bay and he hurried forward, finally escaping the dark part of the jungle. The compass led him next to a wide, rushing river, its waters churning with hidden dangers. Crocodiles lurked near the banks and the current was too strong to swim across. Zohaib knew he had to find another way. Zohaib reached into the pouch and pulled out the rope of wind. With a deep breath, he threw one end into the air. The rope stretched magically, looping around a sturdy tree branch on the opposite bank. Holding tightly, Zohaib began to swing across. But halfway over, the rope shook violently. A giant crocodile leapt from the water, snapping its jaws just inches below his feet. Zohaib's heart raced as he clung to the rope, kicking wildly to avoid the creature. With one final effort, Zohaib reached the other side, collapsing onto the muddy bank, gasping for breath. Exhausted but determined, Zohaib continued following the compass. Just as he thought he was close to home, Zohaib heard a low, rumbling growl. A massive tiger stepped onto the path, its golden eyes locked onto him. Zohaib froze. There was no time to run. The tiger was too fast. The river was behind him, the dark jungle to one side and a steep cliff to the other. Zohaib was trapped. Then he remembered the final gift, the key of return. With shaking hands, he pulled it from the pouch and twisted it in the air. A golden doorway shimmered into existence before him. Without hesitation, Zohaib the boy leaped through. In an instant, Zohaib the boy found himself standing in his own backyard. His parents rushed out, tears in their eyes, and pulled him into a tight embrace. "We were so worried," his mother exclaimed. When Zohaib the boy turned to look back, the golden door had vanished, the velvet pouch was gone too. Only a single glowing sunflower petal remained in his hand, proof that his adventure had been real. That night, as he lay in bed, he heard a faint whisper on the wind. Kindness and courage will always light your way. Kids, what do you learn in this story? Helping others brings unexpected rewards. With bravery and quick thinking, even the greatest dangers can be overcome. Didn't you like my journey? Why don't you like and subscribe to me?